Okay, so everything is cleaned up. You can see it looks a lot better. Thank you, Brick Clean. This thing works amazing. Of course, I'm inhaling all the vapors, but you know, whatever. My liver will thank me later. So, see, my sensor's clean. All this is clean. Less dust. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do the install. But first, before I do anything, we're going to have to add some lubrication here. So spray, whoops, there you go. Spray all of that. Spray all of that. Spray it all. Let's get it all nice and juicy. There we go. Nice. And you're going to see why. Okay, so let's set this up. Okay, let's see. Right there. Gotta do some stuff. I'm coming. Here we go. Okay, so this is all the parts that I'm going to need to install here. We don't normally need to use these. These are actually, they go in here, but they don't wear out that much, so we don't use them. But what I got to do, I got to put these pieces in here, like so. And sometimes I get them on the first shot, but most likely second shot. Boom. And you check it. It's good to go. Same thing with this one. And check it. Good to go. My glove is torn. I go through a lot of gloves. And these, see if we can do it one-handed. Figure it out. I can't do it one-handed. So let me put this down. And we're going to put these on like so. Oops, wrong one. Like so. So now we have springs, tension springs. This bad boy right here. These two go back in here. Like so. And rotate. And rotate, right? So now we got to put this up here like so, and that drops down. So the top one is installed. Then what we do, we're going to install these springs like so, let them hang, and like so. Oops. So they're on both sides, right? So now I gotta put the other drum on. So go back on there. Come on. There we go. And we're gonna rotate on there. And the spring, gonna go in here, drop down. Look at my glove, it's just falling apart. And I got a spring here. So I just hit my spring right there. This is the part that will destroy your fingers if you don't know what you're doing, because this is very it's going to be under some tension. I'm just going to do it with one hand without hurting myself. Let me see here. Okay, so basically I have to lift this thing up and put something in between there. You see, I'm going against the spring tension. So let me see if I could do it while holding the camera. I think I can. There you go. You gotta slide it back, click, and she's in place. And you guys will be able to do a brake job on the big rig after this. This one is, the bottom one is easier because I can use my arm to push down on it, like so. Let's forget. I've been teaching this for many years to a lot of the newer guys, and I like the way I do it because it's safe. The bottom piece is in. Look at that. So I'm gonna back out so you can see the whole thing. So there you go. And a good thing to do too is check right here. Push on it. Good. Good. So you know it's seated. And your ABS is good. So I'm gonna get the drum and install the drum. Oops, don't fall. So what I used to do, I use my legs to lift the drum up. I'll lean back a little bit. I lean back a little bit. Just use that here, the beady part around. And I can go up, down, I can go all over. Like that. And then I aim it. Boom! And she's on. And so that's how you do it. It's not that hard. It's dangerous, obviously, because there's a lot of pinch points. Everything is heavy. You can crush your finger. You can break bones. These wheels, they'll fall over sometimes. They'll fall over and they'll break a part of you if they hit you. They're very heavy, and when they hit hard. So I'm just gonna put the tires back on. I'll get some new tires. These ones right here are pretty much done. So I put new ones right here. I just did this one. It has new tires. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out and put new tires on here. And after all this, I'm still going to the gym. I'm still getting my workout in. I don't care. I love this. It's what I do. All right, peace out.